is a Balinese Pelog scale. It's an Indonesian scale. It's a minor scale. It's a minor pentatonic scale. So it only has 5 different notes. I'm playing this one in F minor. Okay? Okay? So basically you can see it has a different sound. But I think it could complement if you're playing an F. You could play an F major, and because it's, you could play this scale, a pentatonic scale in F. Say if you're in the key of F, whatever, and then you could just complement it. It's got a different sound to it, but because it has a minor quality sound to it, I think it would work. So basically we're going to start, because we're in the key of F, on the 6th string, 1st fret with the 1st finger, and just play a 1, 2, 4. So a 1st, 2nd, and 4th frets. Now instead of me using the 3rd and 4th finger, I think it's a little easier to use your 1st and 2nd finger, and then you can quickly just go right over there. So you're playing a 1, 2, 4 on both the 1st, 2nd, and 4th frets on the 6th string, okay? With your 1st, 2nd, and 4th fingers. But for both the 5th and 4th strings, I suggest that you use your 1st and 2nd fingers on the 3rd and 4th frets. It's almost got its own quality. It almost sounds like a Japanese scale, but then it changes a little bit. And then it goes like an Indian, but it's kind of like a combination. At least to me, that's what I'm hearing. A combination of an Indian, from India, the country India, and a Japanese guy. It's almost like it has its own identity. It does have its own identity, the Balinese. And I'll show it to you. So, once again, there's the scale in itself, the 5 notes, but then we're adding to it. So remember, you play the 3rd and 4th frets on the 5th and 4th strings with your 1st and 2nd fingers. Then, 1st fret on the 3rd string, 1st and 2nd frets on the 2nd string, and then just like the 6th string, you play that. That's kind of like an extension. Be sure to go backwards. This way, you can benefit from it. And here it is, and this is how we pronounce. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I know it's Indonesian, and Indonesia, is a pretty populated country, and it has thousands of islands to it. So I'm sure they have like different cultures, multicultural, like a lot of countries are. But that's the fingering. 1st finger, start on the 6th string, 1st fret, and there it is. And I would use it, once again, this Indonesian minor pentatonic scale. It means it has 5 different notes. Penta, meaning 5. Instead, because there's 8 notes in the scale, 7 different notes in the scale. Like if we were regularly in F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going from the octaves, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 different notes, but this one only has 5 notes. I would use it to this one to complement the pentatonic, the blues scale in F. If you were in F, so you could play it even up there as well. Should have wrote it down there for you guys as well. I mean, you could play it on the 13th, 14th, 16th frets, and then the 15th and 16th frets. 13th fret, 14th fret, 16th fret on the 6th string, 15th and 16th frets on the 5th and 4th strings with my 1st finger, 13th fret on the 3rd string, 13th and 14th frets on the 2nd string, 13th, 14th, and 16th. Just take that same pattern that you learned here. That's why it's always a good idea to memorize these patterns. Do the exact same thing here. So you could use that if you're an F. I'm just doing a progression in F. F to B flat, to C, to B flat, back to the F. Then go right back into that blue scale. Somehow it kind of contrasts, but I think it works. So there you go once again. Hope you enjoy it. Different. Now you have something else that you can add, another scale. And I'm sure you can ask one out of, ask 20 different guitar players if they know what the Balinese Pelog scale is. And be surprised if one knows it. So you have some of this kind of esoteric information. But I'm just hoping that these scales enhance your knowledge, your playing, and you feel like you keep on learning. And I've been playing guitar for over 44 years now, and I still feel like I'm learning, and I love it. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Try this scale out. It almost sounds, like I said before, like it's a combination of different scales, but it almost sounds like it really feels like it has a diminished quality as well, because you are hitting a lot of half steps together. But I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe. Keep playing and have fun.